Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to center your crosshair on Crosshair X. Now, let's say you have this one, okay, for your normal window. So what you'll do is just go ahead and open up Crosshair X or the Crosshair X menu and make sure that this one is visible, okay? Now go ahead over to Essentials right here in the left panel. We have Position and Size, okay? So click on it, and if you want to, you could go ahead and click on Center, okay? Just click on it and it will be centered by default. If it's still not centered, well, you can go ahead and use these arrow tools right here, okay? Like move it a bit, move it up a bit, or move it down a bit, okay? That's basically it. If you want to reset it, just click on center right here, and it should be good to go. All right? Let's say you've been using game bar or the game bar mode. Let's just go ahead and get the extension right here real quick. So I'll be able to show you. Now it's installed. Now let's go ahead and launch Crosshair X extension right here. And here we have it, okay? And as you can see here, we have the auto center checkbox. So just click on it and it will be auto centered. That's basically it. But if you want to, you can untick this one and move it however you want, okay? I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.